How to add any item on Redbubble to your favorites. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add items to your favorite on Redbubble. For example, if you liked any design or t-shirt or whatever you found, I will show you how to add it to your favorite and how to find it. So first thing, let's say that you love it, for example this design right here. I'm gonna just click on heart like this. Now it's saved to favorites, and now if you want to find it, just go here to favorites, and here you go. You will find it easy. And if you want to delete it from your favorites, just click remove like this. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.